The sound of your name comes to me in the hour on wings of the wind, like the scent of a flower. How can I explain its impossible power? The sound of your name. The sound of your name is a Valentine's greeting, a bell when it rings, and a heart when it's beating. I'm drawn to the spell where all things keep repeating. The sound of your name. Your name is a song that I long to be writing. The music is strong and the words are inviting. A changeable melody, strangely exciting, I found in your name. The sound of your name can bring times of desire that flares like a flame as it climbs ever higher, that burns in my senses and turns them to fire. The sound of your name. But love is a game that continually changes. The player discovers the risk and the dangers. We started as lovers, we ended as strangers. Now where can I turn? Your name is the ghost of a chance that you gave me, that brief little dance, just enough to enslave me, alone in my grief. What is there that can save me if you don't return? At night in my dreams you're there in obsession. I whisper your name like a prayer of confession. You've entered my soul and taken possession. And who can I blame? For you are the heaven on earth that I serve, for the high unattainable moon that I cry for. As long as I live, I will live and I'll die for the sound of your name. Your name, your name, your name, your name. Tu vis dans un silence éternel et muet. Je traduis tes regards et lis dans tes sourires, interprétant les mots que tes mains veulent dire, dans ton langage étrange qui semble être un ballet. Un émouvant ballet que tu règles pour moi, de gestes fascinants qui sont jamais les mêmes. Et quand du bout des doigts tu murmures je t'aime, j'ai l'impression parfois comme entendre ta voix. Mon amour, mon amour, mon amour, mon amour, mon amour, mon émouvant amour, mon merveilleux amour, mon déchirant amour. You see, my lover makes no sound. His language is his hands. I watch his fingers dance and try to understand. I try to understand his elegant ballet. In my heart I can hear the words he longs to say. And so I've learned to speak a language he can hear, to tell him how I feel whenever he is near. He lives around the block, it's just a little walk. We'll meet tonight at 8. At 8 tonight, we'll talk. Oh, my love. what your heart wants to say. Comme pour te parler, I have a small surprise. Je manquais de moyens. To spring on you tonight. Me trouvant près de toi. I'm learning how to sigh. Comment terre étrangère. Please God, I get it right. Ne pouvant me servir. It's something that you do. D'aucun vocabulaire. With confidence and ease. À mon tour, j'ai appris. I'm clumsier than you. Le langage des mains. This might come out Chinese. Tu ris un peu de moi. But come and feel my heart. Quand tu vois mes efforts. It's never danced this way. Car je suis maladroit. I'm nervous and it's hard. Je fais souvent des gaffes. I have so much to say. Je n'ai jamais été. I've always been afraid. Très fort en autographe. My dreams seem so unreal. Mais j'ai tant à te dire. But now I bless this world. Et je t'aime si fort. For how you make me feel. Mon amour. Oh, my love. Mon amour. Oh, my love. Mon amour. You are shy. Mon amour. So am I. Mon amour. But if you would tell me that it's true, you feel the way I do, then tomorrow can start as we are
Mon émouvant amour, mon merveilleux amour, mon déchirant